Hi everybody. I treated myself. It's something I had wanted for over a year, but you know, certain budget reasons, I was like, oh, okay. But because I was a brand new customer on Temu, I managed to get, I think it was 30 or 40% off. So I got myself a little craft buddy. I've opened it, a little craft buddy, and I thought I'd show it to you. I'm pretty excited about it. I opened it originally, I cheated because my mum, I wanted to show her, she was curious about it, so I did open it, but let me see. And here we go. And maybe I can open it and test it for you. It comes in this box, and it came within 3 weeks. So it was I have to say, it was quicker than AliExpress. I've had stuff from it takes forever. And then you've got the little plastic over it, and this. Now I will say, because I showed my mum, that those things stick. They'll stick into a kitchen counter, like I had to haul it off almost. So there it is. It's very sturdy. It's very sturdy. I didn't get any little. I know somebody had got some little free dies, but I didn't get any. But that's fine. I've got a couple of, and I've got the little glass things here. And I paid Canadian because I got a discount. I think it was with tax. With tax here is like, well, I think it was $28.99 or $26.99, something like that. So I'll put a link down where I got it from. If you're a new customer, like on Temu, look out for finding that coupon for being a first-time customer, and you'll get a discount. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find some dies and some paper. Okay, so I found a die, so I'm going to put that like that on A. So let's see, I have to put it like this, and then I'll put this on here. I've got 2 pieces of envelope. I do have paper, but it's all over the place right now, so I'll have to start getting organized. Okay, and then put that like that. Let's have a look. I hope you can see this. Right. I'm going to go through. I'm doing this right. Oh, that paper's going to stop it. This is too thick. Get rid of this on the side. See if it'll go in. Yeah, some of this paper's sticking out, so I'm going to have to get rid of some of that. Okay, so that. And then push it in, and then go like this. Yeah, fingers crossed. go backwards. Okay, let's see. Let's hope it worked. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, I did 2 pieces of envelope, so what you did was going to be thick enough. Look at that. Look at little holes in there too. And that one's got all the pieces coming out, and that one's got all the... Oh, that's kind of cute. Ah, that's nice. And this is just, I just tried 2 pieces of envelope paper. Hey, maybe I could, you know, paint them or color them and then use them. It's like, so that's kind of fun. That's kind of exciting. And, oh, it did get etched into the... I've seen that they etch into the glass though. That's the only thing. Maybe there's a way. I don't know. Anyway, so, oh look, looks kind of pretty on there too. So there it is. I'm gonna see if I can have some fun with this. So, I would like to really, you know, get into the card making. I do have lots of paper, but I really wanted to try to find Christmas cardstock, but around where I am, I couldn't find any. My cause is very far from where I live. So I was going to order some online, but it's so close to Christmas, so I think that I'd like to start concentrating on like maybe Mother's Day, you know, Valentine's Day, try to make some cards for that, and just have some fun with this. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and hope to see you again. Okay, bye.